Question 1b says solve for x if x plus 1 squared is less than 9. So x plus 1 squared less than 9 is an inequality, and to solve this problem we use the same methods we would for an equation. So here we're going to expand to give us x squared, and then x times 1 is x times 2, that would be 2x, and then 1 squared, that's 1, and this is less than 9. And then we can throw the 9 to the other side. It will be x squared plus 2x. 1 minus 9 is sure to give us minus 8 and less than 0. So once we get to this problem, we factorize. Once it's in this format, once there's 0 on the other side and a trinomial on this side, we factorize. So the factors of minus 8 that we can add to give us 2 would be 4 and 2. And you would say x plus 4 and x minus 2. So 4 minus 2 gives us positive 2. 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. Cool. Then from this we don't get our answers, but we get the critical values, which help us to determine what our answer is going to be. So the critical values, or CVs, will be x is equals to minus 4 or x is equal to 2. Then once this is drawn, we draw a little x-axis. Well, that's a huge one, but okay. And then we put our two critical values, minus 4 and 2. And then we draw a parabola according to the shape we had last before factorizing. So here it was a positive, meaning it's a smiling parabola. So it would look something like this. And then we're not really concerned about the position of the y-axis, but we do need to understand that below here is where y is negative. On the x-axis is where y is equals to 0. And above here is where y is greater than 0. So if I were to put my y-axis, I would maybe put it over here. This is again just to help us see the regions in which our answer lies in. So these are the critical values, the points that determine the boundaries of our answers. So we're going to consider these, and we are looking for the region. If we take this as y, right? Maybe let me put that in another color. If we take this here as y, then we're looking for y is less than 0, and that would be this region here. If we shade that on our graph, it would be in between minus 4 and 2. So that's how you would write your answer. You then say, after all of this, therefore for x to satisfy this condition, it should be found between minus 4 and 2, and that will be answer.